In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reserve or book in the Airbnb app. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone and sign in to your account. Once you're in, begin by entering the key details for your trip, your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests staying. Now, this information helps Airbnb show you the most relevant places based on your plans, so it's important to make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. After that, tap Search to browse the available listings. You'll now see a range of properties that match your trip details. If there are too many results, or if you want something specific, use the filters to narrow down your options. You can sort by things like price, property type, amenities, and other preferences. This is especially useful if you already know what matters most to you, such as a certain budget, a full kitchen, or a particular style of stay. Once you find a place that looks promising, tap on the listing to open it. Here, take a closer look at the photos, the property description, the listed amenities, the guest reviews, and the house rules. This part is worth reviewing carefully because it gives you a better sense of what to expect and helps you avoid surprises after booking. Next, check the total price. Don't just look at the nightly rate. Make sure you review the full cost, including any cleaning fees, service fees, and taxes. This gives you a more realistic idea of what you'll actually pay before you commit. If everything looks good, tap Reserve or Request to Book, depending on how that listing is set up. Some stays can be booked instantly, while others require the host to approve your request first. After tapping that option, review all of your booking details carefully. If prompted, enter your payment information and make sure it's correct before continuing. When you're ready, tap Confirm and Pay to submit your reservation. At this point, what happens next depends on the booking type. If the listing uses Instant Book, your reservation will usually be confirmed right away after payment. If the booking requires host approval, you'll need to wait for the host to accept your request. And that's it. That's how to reserve or book a stay in the Airbnb app. Just follow each screen carefully, double check your dates, guest count, and final price, and you'll be able to complete your booking smoothly.